Real wall of it, over 3, is threatening to come down on the 2-story building behind it.
Después de esa gobernada glass हो गया
Tell me again. So
Yeah, blast sound was like something like like gas or something. The gas. Mostly I believe generally as I saw the one fire in earlier, like on the 2014 and 15, and the 2015 on the 44 Avenue and that's what the generally the cylinder of the like the propane gas or something like that. So generally they leave in the winter from last summer, and then they leave outside on the looks like this is on the top on the roof. So might be they left on the outside, and it's winter it get compressed or something, and then get blast. So it's exactly the same thing happened like 5 years, 6 years back. So I know the same sound like something like that is like big blast and the big smoke, and the fire started after that one.
can you tell me again about how you heard the first blast and what you saw?
This was I was sitting and I was getting ready, and that time suddenly I heard the sound. It's like super big sound, like a kind of bombing or something, like something like that. It's about like 9:30, 9:15, something around 9 o'clock, you can say like that. And then the 15 minutes later, another blast sounds, and then I feel something going on, and then I feel smoke, like you feel the breath, like the air, and then I came out, and then all the fighters there on the road, and that's what on the back, behind that one, that was like big smoke, and with the fire was going out up, and it was really big, super big, like I can say like that. So. Oh no.
Come on. Across the street. Guys, just the other side if you can, okay?
Around here?
Oh, yeah.
So how is it to hear the explosion sound next door?
Explosion sound is like something like bomb, or like like the something gas cylinder is blast, something. I feel like that, and then and I heard I had experience in earlier, like past in the experience, like in the 6 years back, the same exactly the sound was there, and the fire started like in the 44 Avenue. My house was one of them in the firehouse. So yeah, there was a 4 house on the fire. So 7250 and 7244 and kind of things, all of them. So I had experience, and exactly the same thing happened like this.
Was it scary? What was going through your mind?
Yeah, of course it was scary, and then I see the glass. You see the glass door, the window glass. This also came up from there. You can see that one right there. So that was if that far. So that come out, it's gonna be. This was a big sound of the fire.
So what were you thinking when you heard the sound?
I believe somebody drop or something happened, and then second sound again, then I say something going on, maybe the house on fire, and I started to smell the gas, like the air, the fire things, and I came out, and exactly the same I thought, and exactly what it was there.
Thank you.
Oh, no.
Get your name and a spelling?
My name is Chris.
Chris. Thank you,
Yeah.
Chris.